friends, how are you? Welcome to DreamView. I will tell you how to use image search engine. Okay, so first of all, friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Friends, I will tell you how to use image search engine. First of all, go to anything. I would like to check like any some Venu Madhav images. I have checked this in Google. Okay, this is all. Okay, click on images. When you click on images, automatically you went to image search engine. Okay, you will get this camera icon. Okay, search by image. Everything will get like this. Okay, now I would like to search for Chiranjeevi. Okay, automatically once if you comes from all to images, for example, if you want to search for anything, it will open into the image search engine only. Okay, if you want to open, you need related to life quotes, it will open into the image search engine only. Okay, because we searched like images. Okay, if you keep all, you will get like this normal search engine. If you click on images, only images will going to get. You can search like this. Okay, love quotes. Okay, so friends, I will tell you now how to search by using any image. Okay, click on search by image. If you have any URL, paste here, or else click on upload. I have one image. I will show you that image. This is my image. I want to find out who have used this image. Okay, this is my image. I would like to know what kind of websites have used already this image. Okay, upload image, choose file, go to path, click on that, click on open. Just wait. See friends, this normal size is this one. Okay, see this all websites. See, all websites already used this image. This all websites already used this image. Okay, by using image we can search all websites. Click on this, see how many images. Okay, I will show you what is my image. This is the image. Please check. Like this friends, we can find images by using image also. So any image, if you go for Chiranjeevi, if you go for Balakrishna, any image you can take from internet only. If you want to know what kind of, how many websites have already used that image, that is a small trick to find out the image through internet. Like this friends, if you have any doubts you can comment below. I will respond to comment. Thank you guys. Thank you.